83 degrees. The Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation has issued a code orange health advisory for the Nashville area. This will be in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Central Daylight Time Tuesday night. A code orange air quality alert means ground level ozone concentrations within the region may approach or exceed unhealthy standards. The general public is not likely to be affected. Active children and adults, and people with a respiratory disease such as asthma, should limit prolonged outdoor exertion. For additional information, visit the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation site at http://www.tennessee.gov/environment.